guys, welcome back to another episode of This vs. That. Today I got me a little gimbal for the cell phone, so I actually left all of my big gimbal at home. We're doing a show today, so grand opening. So yeah, we got a grand opening today. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this gimbal with the iPhone 11 over there. I want to see if I can leave my big gimbal at home and see if I can just use this today for this show. Usually I don't do that. I usually lug around pretty big cameras along with the big gimbals, but today this is all I'm using, along with that phone right there, iPhone 11. All right, let's do it. Alright guys, so that is it. That is the Zhiyun Smooth Q2. So let me just show you guys a couple of things about this. One is this locking mechanism right here. You unlock it like that, then you push this thing out and it comes apart. This actually goes on the phone really well. It folds down to this tiny little thing, but see, if you pull it, this thing here comes out so that you can put a bigger phone in there, and then it's stretched this big. So far my test, it has fit my iPhone 7 Plus, which is a humongous phone, and also it fits the iPhone 11. This here, you just snap it in like this. That's it. You snap it in, and then you just lock this mechanism right here. The next thing is there's this little locking mechanism here where it stays in place. But that's about it. None of the other moving parts are lockable like some of the other gimbal that you've seen. It does come with a Usbc charger, which is great because it charges faster, obviously. With my testing, I didn't use the Bluetooth on this, and it works really well. The Bluetooth, I just turn it on. It detects that there is this gimbal. You just select it on your phone, and that is it. That's all you have to do. And then you get to use the record function right on here. You don't even need the Zhiyun app at all. The next thing I want to show you guys is the battery. This here, the battery is an external battery, which is great because then you can actually get another one if you need extra power. My testing though is that you probably won't need another battery, just because I use this quite a bit. I use it the entire day, and then even the next day I didn't charge it, and I was using it, still worked great. So I don't think you'll have a problem with power on this thing, especially with it being USB-C. It charges really fast. The last thing that I want to mention is that the gimbal itself does not come with a mini tripod, but if you click the link down below, it will come with this mini tripod here for free. And there you have it. You kind of need the mini tripod, to be honest with you. I don't know why Zhiyun didn't include it, but you kind of need it in order to put your phone down. So my only one complaint, which actually I think you're gonna run into with other issue as well if you use something like the iPhone 11, is that the super wide angle, this thing here is going to be in the way of the phone when you use super wide. The only way that I was able to use super wide on this gimbal was doing flashlight mode like this. So if you do flashlight mode like this, it's gonna be just fine. But if you use it like this, this here is going to be in the way of the super wide. So just be aware of that when you do purchase this gimbal. you're not going to be able to use super wide without doing flashlight mode like this. All right, and that is it. That is my quick review of this gimbal. I would use it a little bit more in the future just to see. If you like this episode, please hit like. And if you haven't, please subscribe to us. We're going to see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.